ShopMozo does and how easy it is to create your very own Amazon affiliate store using ShopMozo. All right, so before I get started, I wanted to mention that if at any time during this review you want to go ahead and get access to ShopMozo and start putting it to work for yourself, you can click on the link in the description of this video and it'll take you over to the ShopMozo website where you'll be able to get instant access to ShopMozo and start using it right now. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump in and find out what all ShopMozo has to offer. Okay. So as you may know, I've been playing around with a few different Amazon affiliate store builders for the last few months trying to figure out which one is the best solution for all my students. And so ShopMozo just popped up and it's just now being released to the public. So you have the opportunity to get in on the ground floor of ShopMozo right now. And I'm going to show you exactly all the features that come with it, how it works, how beautiful it really is, and how easy it is, even for the very beginner who doesn't have any experience whatsoever with affiliate marketing or Amazon affiliate marketing or any of that stuff, right? So I'm right here on the dashboard of ShopMozo, and one thing that I want to mention is when you first create your account and log in, you'll have this one pop-up screen and it's got two steps. And so what I had to do right there was decide what my business name was going to be, which I picked Drone Deals. Okay, and then what my URL was going to be. So this is a 100% cloud-based software. So there's nothing to install, nothing to download, none of that stuff. You just set up your account, log into it. You can log in from anywhere. You can log in from your phone, your tablet, your PC, Mac, whatever you use. You can log into it and start using it without any kind of modifications or anything. Right? It's just totally 100% cloud-based. Um, and when you're picking your URL, you want to pick whatever you want to show up. So mine is drones.shopmozo.co. Okay, that's my web address. And let me give you a little peek of what I've got going on so far here. Okay, so you can see up here I've got my own logo up here. The category drop down, you can see that there's a couple different categories I put in here and a couple subcategories as well. Okay, and then you can see the layout of the page. It's got sliders that you can put in. I'll show you all this stuff here in just a minute. Then it has trending stuff up at the top, and then it has the layout of your store here. Okay, and then down at the bottom, you've got your logo again. You've got categories again. You've got your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and contact us page. And then you've got your social media button. So these go to your own social pages. And I'll show you how to set those up as well. Okay? All right, so let's take a look real quick at one of the product pages. And I'll show you kind of what your visitors are going to see whenever they land on your site. Okay, so you've got the title of your product up here, and all of this is fully editable. And like I said, I'll show you all this stuff here in just a minute when we hop back over to the dashboard. But you can see you've got your title here, you've got your product images here, and you've got a ton of those. Okay, so your users can scroll down through here and look at all the images they want to. They can zoom in on them up here by just running their mouse across the image. Okay, and then you've got your social share buttons going down the side over here, so people can easily share it to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google Plus, LinkedIn, wherever they want. Okay, and you have a Buy Now button, which will take you your visitors straight over to the Amazon page. Okay, and you can see that your tag, your affiliate ID is automatically embedded whenever you set that up in the beginning. Actually, that's step number 2 that I left out is you'll put in your affiliate credentials. Okay, so when it takes you to the Buy Now takes you to the Amazon page, and then you have add to cart. Okay, so what this does is it automatically just adds this to your user's cart. Now, if it's unavailable, of course, it's not going to let them add it to the cart, but for a product that is available, it will automatically add that to their cart. Okay, so that's really, really powerful and really, really cool. Okay, so the next thing you'll see is your product description here. It's got a really nice laid out, easy to read description. Then you've got popular tweets relating to your niche, which ours is drones, so boom. We've got popular drone tweets here. Then we've got related tags. So this will show us all of the products that are related to this tag here that we set up, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Then it pulls YouTube videos automatically. And one thing that they are working on right now, and it should be available by the time you get access to this software. When I'm showing you this right now, it's not officially released. I actually just got an advanced copy, so I got this in advance so that I could show you how cool it is and how easy it is to use. Okay. But one of the things that they are rolling out right now and working on is pulling the reviews straight from Amazon. So the real, actual customer reviews will be pulled straight from Amazon. Okay. And then you have your related products and recently viewed products. Okay. So like if I go over to a related product, you can see it's the same kind of page setup. There we go. All right. And if I go to add to cart here, then you can see that's automatically going to be added to my cart. All right. So if I go to continue, then you can see that I can go ahead and proceed to check out if I want to. All right. Um, so really, really powerful stuff. Like I said, it's every product in your store is automatically embedded to your affiliate link. So you'll get credit for all of the sales that you make. So I know you're asking, Jeff, this looks amazing, but how hard is it to set up, right? And I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is, okay? So let's run through some of the features. And one of the first things you'll notice is the store design tab. And this is where you're going to be able to change themes, add slider images, banner ads, product, legal pages, and your category menu. So let's talk about each of these. The first thing in your theme menu, you'll have a drop down of different themes here. Depending on which version you have, you may have more themes than if you had, if you had the standard version, you may only have a couple themes. If you have the upgraded version, then you'll have more themes to choose from. Right now, I only have this one theme available because they are, like I said, working on rolling the rest of the features out. So whenever you get access, you'll be able to just click on that, and then there'll be a whole list of drop-down themes, okay? The next thing you have is the ability to upload your own logo. So it has the suggested logo size, and you can go create your own, or you can go somewhere like Fiverr and get one created, or whatever you want to do, okay? Then you can add a favicon. If you see this little page-looking thing on the top left of the browser tab up here, that is called a favicon. So you can upload one of those 30 by 30, and it'll replace this up here. So if I had like a little favicon of a little flying drone, then obviously I would upload that and then click save. Okay. So that is your options under theme. Now for sliders, if you'll remember, the sliders will display at the top of your site, and I'll show you those once again. Right here, and you have the ability to put call to action buttons that are linked to different categories, or it can be linked to individual products. It can be linked to anything that you want. Okay, so you will be able to add 5 of these slider images, and they will automatically scroll. They're not going to automatically scroll while my mouse is up there, but you can manually scroll through them as well. But they'll automatically scroll through all of your slider images, and there it goes. And it will just loop those over and over again. So it makes your store look really, really nice, really, really clean. Okay, and like I said, you can upload 5 of those, and all you need to do is just enable them. So here's one that I haven't done yet, so I can just enable this, upload the image, and then I can, if I want call to action text, then all I need to do is put it in here, like I have that one. Let's go to it real quick. So you can see here we have the best selection of photography drones. Shop now. Okay, so we have the best selection of photography drones. And then I chose 20 pics for the size of the text. And then shop now is what I wanted the text on the button to be. And then I have that linked up. Okay. So that is the sliders. Those are really easy to add and manage. You can swap those out at any time. Okay. Then you have the ability to put Google AdSense or your own custom banner onto your site very, very easily. Okay, so if you have a banner that's 1140 by 142, then you can upload that right here and then put your affiliate link in this box right here, and that banner will display on all of your product pages. Okay. All right, so that is the banners section. The next thing you're going to have the ability to do is add your own legal pages. So, like I said before, you have your terms and conditions and privacy policy. All you'll need to do is put those pages into there and then click update. All right, very easy to do. And then this is brand new with ShopMozo. ShopMozo is actually pretty similar to Shop Express. If you've heard of Shop Express before, it's actually the current Amazon's affiliate store builder that I recommend to all my students. And by the way, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing or you just want to get some really good tips and advice, then I have a free Amazon affiliate course that I want to put in your hands. And all you need to do to get that is go over to moneybuysdreams.com and you'll be able to get instant access to that 4-step training course that's going to show you how to make your first $1,000 in your first 30 days. So I'll leave a link to that in the description as well so that you'll be able to have access to that. All right. So be looking for the link to ShopMozo so you can get access to that and then the free 4-step training course. All right. So like I said, this is a brand new feature that they rolled out, which I love because it actually, for the first time, gives us the ability to set up our category menu any way we want. So all we have to do is put a check next to all the categories that we want to show up in our category menu, click Add to Menu, and now I can set this up as subcategories, okay? So I have these set up as subcategories. These are main categories here. And then I can always add new categories as I add them to my site. Okay, and then I would just click on update. They're still rolling out this feature right now as well. So this is not actually going to show up on my site, but by the time you get access, it will show up on yours. Okay, but super cool, and I love the ability to just move these around so you can move them around any which way you want. You can organize them any way you want and all that good stuff, right? And if I get tired of them being there, I can just say, okay, you're gone, and click the X's, okay? Want to add them back? Super easy to do that as well, okay? I just need to move them over to the subcategory section and then update, okay? All right, so like I said, I love that feature right there because it's going to make it so much easier to organize my site, all right? And then we have the all products. So we can go to all the products that we added to our store. And here in just a second, I'm going to actually show you how simple and easy it is to add products to your store. And then you'll be able to manage those products from right here in this menu here. Okay. So like I said, everything on the product page is fully editable. So no matter what you want to change out, you'll be able to do that. Let me show you a quick example of exactly how that's done. So if you'll see over here on the very right column, it says action. Then it has this little pencil looking icon. You'll just click on that, and that is the edit button, okay? And so once you're on the edit screen, you'll be able to change the title up. You'll be able to change the URL if you want to. You can change the description up, and you'll be able to change the category if you choose to. You'll be able to edit the SEO settings and override all of the other settings. Then you'll be able to change the tags out if you choose to. You'll be able to look at the images, the YouTube videos. Now these automatically pull YouTube videos, so if you want to put your own in there, then you'll just need to put your own links in here, okay? And then the custom images, okay? So if you have custom images, you'll just upload those right here. When you're done making your edits, you just click update and everything that you changed will be updated, okay? Super, super simple to do. Let's go back and show you a couple more things about the products, the all products menu. All right, so you can see here everything about the product. You can see the name, the product ID, the image, the price that it's selling for, which store it is, because you have the ability to add products from Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress all in the same store. And what date you posted it on, what date it was published on, the current status of it. So here in a second, whenever we go to add new products, then you'll be able to see that there's two different options. You can either schedule products to be posted to your store, or you can publish them immediately. All right, so you can see if these are actually published or not. Then over here, like I said, you have the edit feature. Then you have the ability to delete the product, or you can view the product, okay? And also, if you want to delete a product, you can put a check next to the ones you want to get rid of, and then just click on this garbage can icon right up here, okay? All right, so that is the products menu. Next, you have your categories. Now, this is where I typically start because I want to get everything set up ahead of time, um, and I want to get my categories added, okay? So, adding a category is very simple to do. All you need to do is click on the Add Category up here in the right-hand corner, and you can add a new category just like this. You just put in your category name. Now, if it's a subcategory, you'll just select the main category that you want to put it under, okay? I'll show you how to add a subcategory as well. So I'm just going to copy the title of the product, and I'll come back in here later, put in the description and keywords and all that. Then I'll turn this category on, okay? And then I'll click Add. All right, so what that's going to do is add that racing drones to my category menu. So let's open the site up here, and you can see now I have racing drones under my categories, okay? So now if I want to add a subcategory to that, let's go to Add Category, and we'll go to Advanced. I'm just going to put in an Advanced category, and I'm going to make that a subcategory of racing drones, okay? Then I'm going to turn that category on and add it. All right, now I can go back to my site and I can refresh. And I can go down to racing drones and you can see my advanced category now. All right, so that's, like I said, typically where I start at is in the category section. That way I can add products with ease and I don't need to stop or slow down to add categories later on. All right. Now tags, like I was showing you earlier on the product page where they show up, you can add tags, and that way whenever one of your visitors clicks on one of the tags, it'll show them all of the products that are related to that tag, okay? So if I want to add a new tag, I just click on Add Tag, and I can go to Racing or something like that, and I can turn that tag on, and then I can add it. Okay, simple as that, and then I'll show you on the product page where you can add those tags to your product page, all right, when we go to Add Products. Now, another feature that's built in is the automation feature. So if you want to post products to your store on autopilot, then all you need to do is set up these automations, okay? So to add a new automation, you just click on the Add New Automation button, and then you'll tell it you want to add products from Amazon, and then you'll select the category here. Then you'll put in your keywords. So I'm going to put in racing drone. All right. Then I'm going to post one daily, and then I'll set that to start today, and then I'll set it to end next week. Okay, now you can do this for as long as you want to. I'm just going to set mine for a week at a time. Then I'm going to select the category here, so I'm going to go to racing drones, and then I can publish now or later. So this is saying, when do you want this to publish? Do you want it to publish automatically, or do you want to schedule it? Since it's an automation, I'm just going to tell it to publish now. And what that'll do is it'll start posting products at a later time and put racing drones in my racing drone category for me. All right. So I can set up as many of these automations as I choose to and have products posted to my store constantly so that my store stays updated and my visitors always get the freshest products right in front of them. Very cool feature. Allows for you to really update your store without having to even lift a finger. Okay. So the next thing we're going to look at is the Get Traffic feature. This is where you're going to be able to mess with your SEO, your social, and your Facebook group finder feature. Now, these are really, really cool settings because SEO brings in traffic from the search engines for you, and then the social and Facebook group finders, they will actually go out and post products into Facebook groups for you, okay? Now, if you get the upgraded version, you'll be able to post products to Instagram and Twitter as well. So it'll unlock features the more upgrades you get. However, just the basic version will provide you with enough to get started with, and then you can upgrade at a later time if you choose to, okay? All right, so here we want to mess with our SEO settings. So I put in our website name, I put in the meta title that I want to show up in Google, I put in the meta description I want to show up in Google, and some keywords. You can have up to 8 keywords, I think, and these are just keywords related to your store. And then you'll just select save options. Now for product page, you can use syntax, so you can decide which one you want. So it's going to show up like the title of the product and then the site title with a dash in between, or it's going to have a bar in between, or it's just going to be the product title. Okay, so I'm going to choose the one with the bar in between and then save options. And then the same goes for the archive page, the title settings, and then your XML sitemap will allow you to actually download your sitemap, or you can copy the sitemap link, and then you can submit that sitemap to Google Webmaster Tools or Bing Webmaster Tools, or any other place where you can submit your XML sitemap. All right, then you also have an RSS feed for each of your categories. Okay, so you can go out and ping these RSS feed using ping subscription services and all that good stuff, and start getting your store indexed very quickly. Okay. The next thing you have is the webmaster settings. So when you sign up for Google Webmaster Tools or Bing Webmaster Tools or Pinterest or Yahoo, then you'll be able to just put your verification code here and save the options. Okay. And then your analytics, you'll just paste in your Google Analytics code, or any other analytics that you may be using through a third party. You can also paste in your Facebook retargeting pixel here. If you're doing a Facebook ad campaign and you want to retarget the people who have visited your site, very easy to do. Just put in your retargeting pixel there. And then you have the ability to put in your web engaged tracking ID. All right, so really good SEO settings there. Next, we'll talk about the social settings. And so you, like I said, you have the ability to create a social campaign. And so to do that, you'll just go in, and I'm just going to call this sample or example or whatever. Then I'm going to say, I want you to post photography drones. Enable auto post is on. I want to start that today, and I want to start it at 6 p.m. Then I want to post one product every 2 hours to these groups. Okay, and this is one of the features that they're still working on rolling out as well. But so it's not going to work fully like it should, but like I said, by the time you get it in your hands, it will definitely work the way that it's supposed to. And like I said, there's 3 different ways that you can post to your social media on autopilot, and that's through Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, depending on which version you get. Okay, so we're going to choose Facebook and then go to next. And then, like I said, it's still, they're still working on pushing out the last bit of the update. So this is one of them that they are working on pushing out. And once they do, you'll have the option to define your posting schedule for social sharing right here. And then you'll just pick that schedule and then go to done. All right. So let me give you an idea of how this kind of works. You go over to the Facebook group finder here, and then you'll just put in a category to find new potential. Okay, so mine is drones, so I'm just going to look up drone and then go. Okay, then it's going to pull up all of these groups, and it's going to show me the ones that are open. Okay, so what I'm going to be able to do is I'm going to be able to go down through here and add all of these open groups. So you can see group added successfully, and these are going to be added to my campaign. When I set up the social sharing campaign, I'll have the ability to choose all of these groups that I'm adding to. Okay, and that will, like I said, allow me to add products to these groups on autopilot. So these groups, they're most of the time they're really large, and you'll be able to get some instant traffic over to your store automatically without ever having to lift a button. You could be at the grocery store, the movie theater, wherever you're at, and your store and links could be getting posted from your store to Facebook or Twitter or Instagram on autopilot, and you could be making sales while you're off doing whatever you want to. Okay, so it's very simple to use, very easy to set up, and like I said, it'll be fully rolled out to you by the time you get access to the ShopMozo software, and you can do that by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Okay, So the next thing we want to look at is the product library or the image library. And these are the images that I've used for my sliders here. So if I want to upload new images, I can do that by clicking on Add New and then select the images from my computer that I want to upload and then put those in the library. And that way, whenever I go to change out the images in my sliders, they're already there. I can just select which ones I want to switch out for, and that's automatically done for me, okay, very quickly. All right, so the next thing you have is the reporting section. Now this is really, really cool because not only do you get an overview of what products people are looking at on your site, which ones people are clicking on the affiliate link for, and all that good stuff, but you can also see the product breakdown. Okay, so you can see it by the day, week, and month. So you'll have this nifty little graph to look at here. All right, and you'll be able to see the hits that you're getting on those products, and you'll be able to see the social hits that you're getting on these products. So you'll be able to see how many people are coming to your store through the social automation that you have set up. All right, very cool stuff, very, very handy stuff to have, because if I notice that this product is not performing as well as I want it to, I may take that out of my store. Or if I notice that this one is performing really, really well, then I may go out and put some additional marketing efforts into promoting this product. Okay. So very, very nice reporting section. And then if you need help, there's a training and FAQ section where you'll have access to video training and PDF guides that will help you to do everything that I'm showing you how to do, basically. So if you need help, if I went too fast or something like that, then you'll be able to get it right here from the help section in the training and FAQs. All right, then you're also going to get the bonuses right here. So if you're looking for the ShopMozo bonus section, then you'll get it right here. So you get 15 bonuses loaded up in here. One of the three of the ones that I really noticed that were very helpful is the Amazon Affiliate Blueprint, the Amazon Affiliate Marketing course, and the Amazon Affiliate Profits course. Okay, all three of those I think are very valuable, especially if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you've never done Amazon affiliate marketing before. I think you should take the time to actually go through these and learn a little bit about what you're getting yourself into, what you can expect, and all that good stuff. Okay, but there's also some really good courses and software that you'll have access to right here in the bonus section as well. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far. I know I'm really enjoying showing it to you because this is without a doubt one of the best Amazon affiliate store builders that I've ever seen. Personally, I've never seen one that you can log in to from the cloud and set up as quickly and easily as this one. I've never seen one as beautiful as this with so many features packed into it. Anybody from any experience level, whether you're a brand new beginner or you're advanced, will be able to easily set this up and start using it immediately. Okay, like I said, you don't have to go out and buy a domain name. You don't have to go buy web hosting. You don't have to install anything. That's, I know, a huge barrier for a lot of people is trying to install and set up a lot of stuff. So that's what makes this software so powerful is not having to install nothing. Okay. So now let's go to the fun part of adding products. Okay. So when you click on the add products, you can get there from the dashboard. You can get there from the product section. You'll have three options. Like I said, you can add Amazon affiliate products, AliExpress, or eBay affiliate products. And I'll show you how to add your credentials to those here in just a second as well. But if you want to add Amazon products, all you do is click on the Amazon logo, and then you can select a category that you want to look in specifically, or you can just leave it at all. And I want to add some racing drones to my racing drone category that I just set up, okay? So I'm just going to search for those, and that's going to pull up all of these racing drones for me, okay? You can see I've got a few pages full of racing drones that I can choose from. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these, and then I'm just going to take away the ones I don't want to post. So I don't want to post that one. And let's see. All the rest of these look pretty good. All right. So I'm going to actually put these in my advanced category because these are a little bit on the higher end side of the racing drones spectrum. So I'm going to put these in my advanced racing drones category. So you can see all I did here was just click on this. If you want to put it in two categories, you can. But I only recommend putting it in one. So you just click on this. It'll bring up a drop down of all your categories. You just select the one that you want to use. Then you can click on tags. And I can take away the HD photography drone one and just leave the racing one. All right. So I've got my category. I've got my tag. And that's it. And then I can choose to publish now, or I can schedule a date that I want these to post on. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and publish them now. That way you'll be able to see them live in the store. And you can see I think I just added about 9 different products, or maybe 8 or 9 different ones. Okay, so let's go over and refresh our store and take a look at what we have now. All right, so here are the racing drones that we just added. All right. We can see here the product page of a newly added racing drone. All right, so just like before, we've got our title, our images here, we've got our description, our tweets, we've got our YouTube videos here that it automatically created for us, our related products, and our recently viewed. And also don't forget that right here they are going to be pushing out an update that will pull the reviews for this drone straight from Amazon, okay? Or whatever product that you're promoting, all right? Now up here in the all categories, if I go to racing drones and advanced, you'll be able to find all those drones I just added under that category as well. Okay, now if I go to all categories, so if I just click on all categories, you'll be able to see all the categories I have right here across the top, but you'll be able to see the recently viewed products as well. So if I want to go to photography drones, it'll pull up all of the drones in my photography drones category. All right, and then I can go up here to the product menu as well, okay? Go to my subcategories, okay? If I want to go back to the home page, I can just click on drone deals, and it'll take me right back to the home page, all right? So I think that is it. I think that about covers everything. Oh, let me show you a couple different things up here, and then that'll be it, okay? So you have on this gear icon right here, 4 different options. You have affiliate options, and this is where you're going to add your affiliate credentials for Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. You actually add your Amazon affiliate credentials when you first log into your store and set that up. But if you want to change those out later on or something, then you can do that from right here. Then if you want to add in your eBay affiliate account details, you can add those in here, and the same for your AliExpress, you can add those in here. And then you'll have the ability to post products from all 3 affiliate stores, making this extra powerful and allowing you to really capitalize on 3 of the biggest e-commerce platforms out there and earn a commission for every sale you make. All right. So the next thing you have is the social share options, and this is where you're going to put in your application IDs. Okay, so you can go and set up a Facebook app ID. This will allow you to post your products with the Facebook automation. Same goes for Twitter and Instagram, and there's also some handy links at the bottom that will allow you to go over to the developer side and start setting up that application for yourself. Okay, once you have your app IDs, you just put them in here and click save, and those will be saved into your store. All right, then you have your SMO section. This is where you're going to be able to put the links that I showed you down here at the bottom of the page. You'll be able to put those go to your own personal pages. So if you have, like if mine was drone deals, all right, then I could easily just add those to this section right here, and same goes on down the line here. I just want to put my profile links in here and then click save, and those are going to show up at the bottom of my page. Okay, now for your social sharing buttons, like I said, you on the individual pages, well, let's see here, on individual pages you'll have social share buttons. All right, so you could choose how you want those buttons to be displayed, so that will give you a lot of different options to choose from here. So if I want to change those out for those, then I can just do that and click on save. Now if I go back here and refresh, then those new social buttons that I chose will be updated. Okay? All right, so you can change those out at any time. And display options will allow you to turn on or off any place that you want your website shared. Okay, so if let's say you only want it shared on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, then we'll just turn LinkedIn and Pinterest off and click on Save. So what that's going to do is it's going to take away those buttons over here when I refresh, and it's only going to leave the Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus buttons. Okay. Now, if I turn those back on, I can do that at any time. And I just want to hit save after I do that. And that'll add those buttons back to the social sharing uh, button over here. Okay. All right. Now we'll go back to the gear icon and we'll talk about one last thing, which is your team management. So you have the ability to add team members to your store so that they can help manage it for you. Now this only comes with the upgraded version, so you will need to get the upgraded version. I think it's the agency version or something like that, that allows you to have team members. So you can choose the roles of these team members very easily. So if you want to add an editor or a moderator or something like that, you'll be able to do that very, very simply by just clicking on add team member. Then all you do is put in their name and email address, and it'll send them an invite. Once they accept that invite, then they will be added to your dashboard over here, and you can choose their role from there. All right. Now over here on this little picture icon, you'll have the ability to change your profile, your business profile, your affiliate stores. So if you have the unlimited site license or the 3-store site license, you just click on this affiliate stores tab and you can switch in between stores and manage each store individually. Okay, so that's really, really awesome because it gives you the ability to manage all of your affiliate stores from one dashboard very, very simply. Okay. Then you can check on your subscription. So if you have a 3-store license, you can check and see how many you've used and stuff like that. This is where you're also going to be able to upgrade, and you'll be able to become a premium member. You'll be able to view the update log. So if something's changed, you'll be able to see exactly what has changed and all that good stuff. Okay. So that's under the update logs. And then you have a little help icon right here that'll take you over to the help desk, and you'll be able to submit a ticket or get answers to your questions through the FAQs. Okay. The last thing I'll talk about is the dashboard here, where you'll be able to see how many products you posted today, how many products are in your store total, how many hits on those products. Now, hits means that they just simply clicked on the product page right here. Okay. It don't mean that they clicked on the Amazon button and went over to Amazon or anything like that. Actually, that's what affiliate hits means, is that they clicked on either the buy now button or add to cart. So, when you see this affiliate hits, then it should match up pretty closely to what you see with Amazon. However, just keep in mind that no technology is perfect and no two technologies are going to match up the same. Okay? All right, so here you'll be able to see your top products for the week, the month, and the year. So if you click on one of those options, and you'll be able to see how many hits you have on these individual products, which again allows you to go out and increase your marketing efforts for these products here. Okay. Then you also have some quick links here on the dashboard at the bottom that'll allow you to go to the add a product section, the automation section, the reporting section, and the help desk. Okay. So that is it for ShopMozo. That is all I can possibly show you right now. I hope that you are as blown away as I am by the simplicity of the software and the beauty of the store that it helps you to create. Like I said, you're going to get access to all of the additional features that are being rolled out right now. So by the time you get this in your hands and start using it, you'll have all of the features that are included with Shop Express. If I were you, I would get at least the unlimited version, but I would upgrade as far as I can because this is the most powerful Amazon affiliate store builder. And like I said, you can add eBay and AliExpress products in there as well. So make sure that you just get everything that you possibly can for this store, because you're going to love creating these stores. And the more stores that you create, the more products you're going to have out there in different niches, different categories, and the more commissions that you're going to be able to make. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and click on the button in the description of this video right now. Get access to ShopMozo. Start putting it to use. Start building your own affiliate stores very, very quickly. And don't forget to get access to my 4-step training course that's going to help you to make your first $1,000 in your first 30 days with the Amazon affiliate program. I'll leave both of those links in the description of this video, and you can grab those and get access to all that stuff whenever you want. Okay? So with that being said, go ahead and click on the link in the description, and I will see you in the next review. Thank you so much.